How to fix Windows screen flickering issues. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to look at a few of the different ways that you can fix if you are facing the issue of screens flickering on your Windows device. So the very first thing you want to do is check for driver updates. So if you have outdated drivers, you might be causing those might be causing the issue. So you basically have to go to the search bar and search for device manager, hit enter, and then open it up. Now you are going to have to go to your monitors first, check which monitor you have, and then right click on it. I have this integrated monitor on my laptop. I can just go to update driver. Then from the update driver option, you can just click on search automatically for drivers. Once you do that, if it says the best driver is already installed, then you don't have to worry. You're good to go. You can additionally search for updated drivers on Windows Update, which is going to take additionally 5 to 10 more minutes. And once that is done, there's one more thing you can do. You can check for your display adapters or your graphics cards drivers. Some of those might be causing the issue as well. So it's always a good habit to check for latest updates. So you just have to basically right click on it, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers, and here you'll get the same result. Then that means that you're good to go. In some cases, what you can also do is go ahead and install the graphics drivers manually. So you can go to Google Chrome or any other web browser and search for this link. Depending on which graphics card you have, you can manually download and update the drivers. So if you have AMD ones, you can go to this link, download the Windows driver here. And if you have the NVIDIA graphics card driver, you can go to this link. After doing all of this, you can additionally check for Windows Update as well. So go to the search bar, search for settings. And once you open settings, go to Windows Update. And then you're going to have to check for updates. You can check for updates, and if there are any updates available, I highly recommend that you update your laptop to the latest software. And even if those are minor security patches, I suggest you easily update those and you will be having no issues. That is it for this video, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell to get notified, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.